bitch, I'ma lay off. I get the money, no lay off. I'm with a crack of the mail. She give me breeze when I pay off. Off of that bitch, I'ma lay off. I get the money, no lay off. Yeah, I'm at a dice. Off of that bitch, I'ma lay off. I get the money, no lay off. I'm with a crack of the mail. She give me breeze when I pay off. Off of that bitch, I'ma lay off. I get the money, no lay off. Fuck with the cash. She wanna fuck with the guy. You know I'm going to toast. I put a lean on my Sprite. She wanna fuck, I said, alrighty. I'm back, yeah, I hit it all night. Pull up the rest and that pussy get wet. Then she comes down on me, I finna like it. Yeah, she looking at me, man, I know that little bitch wanna fuck. She got that little hits when I hit from the back of that dumb truck. You know I got my 9 all the time. A nigga run up.
Yeah, that bitch. Yeah, y'all, my hair is done. Okay, it looks so freaking natural. First of all, I'm not wearing my baby hairs like this. Like, you know what's gonna happen when I get home. I am going to get my mini flat iron. I'm going to straighten them, and I'm gonna give myself dramatic edges, because one thing about it, the forehead, the head is just too big for, you know, the natural little cute baby hairs. It's not getting left like this. But yeah, you saw that? I said, yeah, the hair is done. The hair is done. The hair is giving. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah, let me put y'all up. Yeah, at them red lights, freaking on them headlights. Yes. Hey guys, so it's much later. Hair is still giving, okay? But y'all, remember in my last video, well, not my last video, one of my last videos, I was talking about getting the Fenty Beauty cookies and cream, cookies and clean face mask. I got it today, and I'm about to try it out right now before I go to bed. So I thought, why not do this mask with y'all? Because I've been super into self-care and self-love recently. Well, I'm always into self-love, but I've been going the extra mile for my self-care, making sure, you know, I'm on 10 right here in the mind. So I just love doing a mask when I can, especially because for a minute last month my skin was breaking out really bad. So I just started getting more into skincare and picking up a whole bunch of products that I thought would help. So anyways, let's get into this mask. I'm trying to open the box all quiet and stuff because I'm talking, but girl wasn't coming out. Ooh, one thing about Rihanna, her packaging is always top tier. Like, do you see this? Do you see this? It's matte. Ooh, that's a nail. It's matte. Y'all, usually when I get my hair done, it's like that wow factor. I be like feeling so complete and stuff like that. But I don't know, I think it's because my nails, I'm feeling kind of like still. But normally I probably wouldn't care if my nails were done. But it's the fact that I have 2 broken ones that's kind of driving me a little bit nuts. So hopefully tomorrow I get that like I'm back type of feeling, because I'm not feeling like I'm back now. I'm feeling really like you know. So anyways, I'm gonna put this mask on. It's a clay mask, I believe. I think it's supposed to like detoxify and stuff. I'm just gonna put my hair to the back real quick, sit behind my ear. Oh, I definitely had mask on my finger when I did that, so we gonna get it back there. And this is small. This is really small, and this was $30. So I'm guessing a little goes a long way. That's the only. Oh, ew. Girl, it's bouncy. Why is it bouncy? I'm not using my hand. Why is it? It's bouncy, y'all. Just take my word for it. Ew, it's like jelly. I was expecting it to be like clay texture. Okay, yeah, a little bit does go a long way. I was not expecting that texture at all. First of all, I went to put my finger in it and my finger started bouncing against the mask. I said, hold on. Yeah, you know, we always gotta get the pores up there. Makes me feel better that a little bit goes a long way, because when I first, you know, saw how little this really is, I was a little bit nervous. But no, y'all, for real, I have been so into skincare. Like, I was low-key thinking about taking a class or something like that regarding skincare, because I've been so interested in it and just finding out all these different ingredients and what they work for and what they're best for, and if it'll be good when, you know, the black girls and stuff, or is it gonna do damage on me? I've just been super interested in that, because usually the only products that really matter in a product are their active ingredients, and those are usually like the other chemicals and ingredients like niacinamide and glycolic acid and things like that, and they have specific things that they do. So I've been looking into it because, girl, I was breaking out. I had to figure something out. I had to make something shake, okay? But yeah, that's it for tonight, y'all. It was just a cute hair day. Tomorrow is nails and all of that, but we have to get some skincare going. So I will see you guys in the morning. I'll probably be doing more skincare. Good morning, guys. So it is the next day. We're doing some skincare like I said we would be. I'm currently getting ready for my nail appointment right now. I woke up around 9:30, did my little morning routine, and it's around 10, a little past 10 now. My appointment's at 11. I already know what I'm wearing, so it's no like big rush. I'm doing pretty good on time. I'm so excited to see my nail tech. I don't think you guys understand. Right now I'm just applying some sunscreen. Cause you know, that's a must. We don't play, we wear sunscreen every day, even on cloudy days. Even though sometimes I forget. Every now and then, I'll be like, oh my gosh, I forgot to put sunscreen. But for the most part, it's an everyday thing. But guys, I wanna show y'all what I got. You remember in the last vlog what I was talking about? My gua sha. Yeah, I got it. I'll be going like, we doing this? That's why my jawline is like, no, I'm not. I'm like, that's not why it's like that. It's actually naturally like that. But you know, this is gonna make it, it's gonna enhance it. I was looking on TikTok. You know, I always do my TikTok research. I was looking on TikTok and I was seeing how the girls do it. Like, which ones do they like to do on themselves? Y'all, tell me why I got a Brazilian wax recently. And that was actually supposed to be in this vlog, but I was just all over the place that day. So I wasn't able to put it in here. But when I tell y'all, it hurt so bad. I think it's because I hadn't got one in a long time, but it was giving pain. And all I gotta say is, it's okay, because now you take your munch applications immediately. I was just like, but anyways, guys, I'm gonna finish getting ready and I will see y'all at my nail appointment. I'm so excited for this set. This set is so cute. I cannot wait. I cannot wait till y'all see it. And yeah, we gonna go to my nail tech. We need to see her soon because girl, it's 10:24. My appointment's at 11. She's about 15 away and I need to go to the ATM. So we gotta go because I need the money to pay my bruh. So yeah, I will see y'all in a few with my nails. With my nails. Okay, y'all, so I just got here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I just got here. I'm on time, okay? And I'm just waiting for her to text me so I can know to walk in. But yeah, bro. We here. We finna get our nails done. Should I show y'all the set I'm getting? Let me think. What could I do to kick it off? How about these lashes are so good. When I get home, I'm gonna send them to you. Not send them to you. I'm gonna show y'all them. And they're already on my Amazon storefront just because these look like, you know, light lash extensions. And I love that. I wish I didn't have to take them off. I wish I didn't have to take them off because I didn't want to get a new set right now because I know it's a lash shedding season. So I was like, I'm gonna hold off. Because it's lash shedding season, I just didn't want to get lash extensions right now and then be pissed when the retention isn't that good. So I just decided to wait. And I'm about to go on right now because Mia just texted me back and it's time to do my set. Now everybody go to breakfast. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mindless you the dog, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know that care pose like the Baba. If that's 100. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. That's 110? 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. Okay. Right, don't play. Bitch, I would have took that $10 back. Hey guys, so I finished getting my nails done. Do y'all see them? Let's get into the nail cam. I have to hold the camera, so I can only do one hand for nail cam right now, but hold on. Yeah, because one thing about my nail tech, she's gonna eat. My nail tech eats every time. She doesn't disappoint me ever, okay? Let's get into the nails. I am so freaking obsessed. Look at the chrome. The chrome is chroming on the nails. I'm so happy I got my nails done. Like, honestly, that just made me feel so much better. You guys have no idea, because hiding my hands for the video was not the vibe. So I'm so glad my nails are done. Right now, I'm actually about to get my toes done. I'm trying this new nail salon out. It's my first time. It's a nail salon in my city. It's new. They just opened it, and it's so pretty inside, and I like pretty places because I vlog. And I'm into aesthetics and all that, and the place I usually get my toes done, they do an okay job, but baby, I cannot vlog in there. It's very ugly. It's very ugly. I don't like it for the vlog. So we're gonna try this nail salon out instead, and hopefully they do a good job, because my toes, they not giving suckable right now, and that's what they need to be given, okay? You know, we got our munch applications and all that, and like, it needs to be given suckable. Yeah, so anyways, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and get my toes done, and then I think later on today I want to do some shopping. I did want to look in Aritzia. I've never been to Aritzia before. I've just been seeing it on social media a lot, so I thought I would try it out. It's about like 40 minutes from me. Let me see, 50 minutes. We might not be going there, but I do want to go look at Zara. Let me see what times these places close, because Aritzia closes at 7 and Zara closes 1. Do I have enough gas? I might have to go get gas. Zara closes at what time? 7 as well. Okay, so they both close at 7. I'm gonna see how far they are from each other. Okay, so they're about 30 minutes from each other. Zara is closer to me, so I'll probably go to Zara first and then drive to Aritzia afterwards. We'll see what we're doing. I really don't know, but I do want to get a little bit of shopping done. I can't lie. So I'm probably gonna do that. But right now, I'm about to get my toes done. So I will see y'all inside. I'll see you soon. Snapping, okay? I have so much stuff here, and the thing is, when you in Zara or any store, honestly, you take up whatever you can get and hope that some of it fits, okay? But this is giving so freaking cute. I love all these washes, the neutral shades. Like, I'm obsessed. But we're gonna try the pants. I hope some of them fit, because I really love them. And yeah, let's see what we get. I love a good shopping day. I love it. I love it. So let's try these on and let's see what they give it. Okay, y'all, so I'm walking back to Chloe right now. When I tell y'all, Zara was such a success, I am shook. I am shook at the Zara girls. Yeah, Zara ate up this fall collection. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Let's get in Chloe, and then we're gonna make our way over to Miss Aritzia. Miss Aritzia, girl, let's see what they talking about. Oh my gosh, girl, like, getting in my car was such a struggle. Oh my goodness. But yeah, to Aritzia we go. It's a 30-minute drive from here. I'm not looking forward to it at all, because this means all in all my drive home is gonna be around an hour. But you know, the girl wanna shop, the girl wants to spend money doing what she does best. So yeah, let's make our way over. Y'all know Chloe's about to start playing music. I have to turn it down real quick. I'm still talking. Slow down. But anyways, I will see y'all when we get to Aritzia. I've never been there. I'm so excited. Hey guys, I'm actually, you know, down the street from Aritzia. I'm walking there now. I had to park kind of far down, like around the corner, just because it's packed up here. There's so much people here, and like all the parking spots are filled. I don't know why, because it's Sunday, but whatever. It's so cute down here. I might have to text my friend and tell her we need to take some pictures down here if I see some cute spots, because everything down here looks really aesthetically pleasing and cute, so it would look good for pictures. But I don't know where I saw Aritzia at. I think it's like further down. I know for a fact I didn't pass it yet, but I just didn't realize that I had drove so far down to park. So I'm walking there now, and I guess I will see you guys when I'm inside. Okay, y'all, so I'm currently in the fitting room. I can say the experience is a very luxury, okay? They get you your fitting room, they hold other stuff for you and stuff like that. But I totally forgot the fitting rooms, the actual rooms that you try stuff on in, have no mirrors, so you have to walk out and you look in that mirror. And also everything, not everything, but a lot of things in here are giving older 40-year-old white mom. I'm so sorry, I hate to say it, I hope I was not ridiculous, but it is. So I picked out a couple lingerie pieces that I really liked, and we're gonna try them on. So let's see. Okay guys, so this is the first like little hoodie that I tried on. This is part of their TNA collection. This is actually in double extra small, so clearly the things are like a little bit oversized, but I really love how this looks. Like, this is so cute. Just the hoodie. We need to double check and see if they have sweatpants to go with it, because I would definitely buy the whole set. But this part, this is a cute little hoodie. I actually really love it. I might have to get in black too. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not fake. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. Okay guys, so I just left Aritzia. I actually really loved it. Like, the items are such good quality, and they expensive. They expensive as hell. They is hella expensive, but my whole thing was like, these are items and pieces that are gonna last me, so whatever. One-time purchase for however long I'm gonna have these clothes for. And yeah, I'm really happy with my purchases. Y'all, tell me why I just saw somebody driving with a whole Trump banner waving from their car. Oh, so if you ain't know by now, you already know. Now you know what territory we in, child. But anyways, look at my bags. Big bags. Yeah, my Zara bag, my Aritzia bag, they sit in here real pretty. I'm so happy I got these pieces, because I've been wanting to get pieces for winter time, because it gets so cold where I live and I just haven't, you know, had the chance to pick any up. Today was such a good day. I'm so happy. I cannot wait to get home and give my parents a show about everything I got. Because they're the ones I call when I be buying all these things, you know. They're gonna be like, how much was that? But then I can't tell them how much it was, because then if I ask them for something, they're gonna say, but you have the money to buy this. And you know, that's just a conversation I don't want to have, you know. So we're just gonna show them the pieces, real happy. And yeah, when I get home. Yeah. Hanging out the window with my right. Let's go. Hold up, stop the beat. I'm a mother city boy. Free by me, acting like you on, nigga. You ain't been in the shit since that PPP. Okay.